Hey guys, so I'm gonna perform and teach the card trick that both Tyler and I taught on Monday, the daily trick. So I'm gonna start by asking Tyler to shuffle the cards. Nice. Okay, thank you. So now that they're all shuffled, we're gonna take off the top two cards and they're gonna help us. So with this trick, we're gonna say that face cards and the 10 are all worth 10, and then aces worth 1. So we're gonna try to get the ace up to 10. Well, we are gonna get the ace up to 10, and we're gonna start with, this is already counting as 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now that we have that, we're going to take 10 plus 1 and add them together. So that is 11. So now we're going to count down 11 cards, and the 11th card is going to be your card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now that we have your card, we're going to put these all away and put it into the middle of the deck. And now with that, your card in the middle of the deck, I am going to start a pattern of going up, down, and you're going to be, Tyler's going to tell me if he sees you guys' card. Did you see your card?
No.
Okay. Okay, since you didn't see your card in this pile, I'm going to set it off to the side. And now I'm going to do it again, and you're going to tell me if you see it. You see it? No? Okay. You see it? Nope. Okay. There's not as many cards now, so you see it?
Yep.
Still no? Oh goodness. You see it?
No.
Okay. If you didn't see it in all these cards, then I must have found your card.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Yes, wow. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to do that trick. So, there's no setup behind this trick. So what you're going to do is ask your spectator. So, I'll have Tyler shuffle the cards once more.
Oh.
That's fine. Thanks. Okay, good job. So, now that they're all shuffled, you're going to just take whatever random top two cards are on the top two, or you're going to take the top two cards and flip them face up. Okay, this will be a good example. So, whenever you have a face card, or in our case we have two face cards, that means you don't need to deal any cards down. So for the sake of the trick, I'm gonna just shuffle these, but you would do 10 plus 10 if you were doing this with both face cards, which is totally fine. So you just start with the 20, and then the 20th would be their card, and then you'd put these the pile, and then these cards on top, and then continue. But for the sake of this video, or teaching, I'm going to choose a different card. Okay, the 4. Awesome. So a 10 and a 4, and then you're going to be explaining like this whole thing about how face cards are 10s, and then 10 is also a 10, and an ace, if you have like an ace, is worth 1. So, and then what you're going to do now is say, okay, so we have a king, so that's worth 10 already, and we have a 4, worth 4 already, right now. But we're going to make it worth 10 by counting from this number 4 up to 10. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can put that there. Then you're going to say, okay, so 4 plus 10 is 14. Or you can ask your spectator that. Tyler, what's 4 plus 10?
14.
Good job. Okay. And so you're going to deal that many cards down. And the 14th is going to be the spectator's card. So Tyler's card and your guys' card. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Just give me your card. I can see it just so we make sure, so I can help you guys with this by doing this video. So we have the Queen of Spades. I don't need to know this because we don't need to. But if you want to, and you'll still wow whoever you're performing this for if you both know it, if it's too hard to not know. And so you're going to keep their card to the side and just take these 3 little bunches and put it all into one pile. And it does not matter where these 2 cards that were helping you count and that you added together are. Just put it all in one and make sure you keep these 2 piles separate, and you're going to place their card on the big pile, or the one you weren't just putting into one pile. So do that, and you're going to take the smaller pile and put it on the rest of the pile. And so you're going to say, okay, now that your card is in the middle of the deck, I am going to start doing a little pattern, and you're going to tell me if you see your card. And you're just going to, it's important to start face up. It's very important. It won't work if you don't. So face up, then face down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And they won't see their card. They shouldn't. If they do, then you did the trick wrong, and you should just restart. And yeah. So up, down, 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 up, down. And you don't need to be saying up, down unless it helps you. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, you're gonna ask, okay, did you see your card in the face up pile? They'll say no if you're doing it correctly. And then you're going to say, okay, then I'm going to put them to the side because we don't need them. Now I'm going to do the same thing, and you're going to tell me again is what you're going to say. So I'm just going to keep going. Start face up again, down, up, down, turn sideways, up, down, up, down, up, down. They're like all space. Up, down, 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 up, down. They should say they didn't see their card. You put it over here like before. Then you do the same process until you get to their card, basically. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You're going to put this back on, or you're going to put it on the deck, the other deck. Now you're going to do it again. Up, down, up, down, up, down. They should say they haven't seen their card. We haven't yet, so that's a good sign that we're doing it correctly. And then with 3 cards left, you're going to be, okay, there's only 3 cards left. Let's see if you see a card now. They didn't see their card. Then you're going to be like, okay, if we've gone through the whole deck, and you can even like do that while doing talking, and we haven't seen your card, then I must have found your card. And that's how you do it. And so if you guys like this trick and you want to perform it on Friday to get a treat, then you should practice and rewatch this video. So, see you guys later.